Ready to ditch boring textures and create eye-catching stripes that dynamically wrap around any object. Let's jump straight into creating procedural stripes in Blender. First, select your object, in this case, a cube, and navigate to the Material Properties tab. Click New to add a new material. Now, open the shader editor. You should see the default principal BSDF node. This is where the magic happens. Press Shift and search for a texture coordinate node. Place it to the left of the principal BSDF. Then, add a mapping node using Shift and place it between the texture coordinate and the principal BSDF. Next, add a Separate XYZ node. Connect the generated output of the texture coordinate node to the vector input of the mapping node, and then connect the vector output of the mapping node to the vector input of the Separate XYZ node. Now, the key to the stripes: add a math node and set its operation to Sine. Connect the X output of the Separate XYZ node to the value input of the Sine math node. To control the thickness of the stripes, add another math node and set its operation to multiply. Connect the output of the Sine node to the first value input of the multiply node. Adjust the second value input of the multiply node. Higher values will result in thinner stripes. For crisp stripes, add a color ramp node and connect the output of the multiply node to the factor input of the color ramp. Adjust the black and white sliders on the color ramp to define the stripe colors and their sharpness. Finally, connect the color output of the color ramp node to the base color input of the principal BSDF node. You should now see stripes on your object. Experiment with different colors, math functions, and mapping settings to create a wide variety of procedural stripe patterns. Now you can add awesome stripes to your models. Happy blending!